Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, I got a great plan here for a stock called Agillion Technologies. So A is set up to test 71 to 74 depending on the price action. The May 18, 67.5 calls are great to use. Yeah, these are great to use to make great gains. Okay, here. Now this isn't a fast mover. However, with these options and on confirmation, okay, this stock could do very, very well. This stock was Power Trigger Trade. Shaya kind of told me about it. Told me to take a look at it, and I took a good look at it, and I looked at a lot of statistical measurement. So on confirmation, I really think that this could go to one of these targets. Higher end. I say 71, so 71 to 73 to 74. Okay. Now, also an interesting thing. Now, this isn't the only reason, but you can see here lots of call buying for the 70 May 18 calls. Now, that's not the only reason. It's that's one good reason, on top of a unique setup and a particular an alignment. Excuse me, on confirmation. Now, A needs to. I will explain inside the video. So I'm going to show you something. Let me show you something. And again, I am the big picture expert. Let me show you something. All right, people. Welcome to Power Trigger Trade. Confirmation is key. I'm going to be posting inside of Power Group Trades the confirmation for A. Now, again, I post other plans inside of specifically in Power Group Trades, but to demonstrate, sometimes I post these plans, but the confirmation will be posted inside of Power Group Trades for my serious followers, and those that really want to know everything that what I'm saying, my big picture opinion. Now, so you study this video, study this pin tweet video. It'll tell you what to do. Now, I want to show you something. You want to go to my YouTube channel. I want to show you something. All right, people, welcome to Power Trigger Trades. Confirmation is key. Listen, people, you want to study this created playlist. There are videos of detailed plans, much like the one you're watching. From the beginning, before the fact, like what you're watching, on confirmation, and after the fact. Study who I am. I am the big picture. I called the market reversal February 11, 2016, beyond most professionals out there. We're talking about only the top 5% in the world could have done what I did. And I mean top 5%. No joking around here. Top 5%. Everybody else, little baby traders, couldn't see this. Even multi-billionaires couldn't do what Power Trigger Trade did with a plan. Even world record holder cremated and decimated when it comes to the big picture. I'm not talking about little pop trap. I'm talking about the big picture, where billionaires invest while there is fear and become billionaires again, instead of losing billions like some billionaires do. All right, now that's despite the point, people. Big picture expert, Power Trigger Trade. Now, I do live streams, but let me tell you something, people. Let me tell you something. If you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Subscribe. If you have one already. If you have a YouTube account already, get one. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. See this picture of me? You're going to see it in a circle format. I think A could be a very good stock, especially with SPY doing a confirmation as well. I believe that this stock will have a good popping opportunity. There is a particular unique, and I took a good deep look at it. And I see a potential of great 100 to 200% gains in options. People, right now, let's see what I say. Power Trigger Trade Samuel here, the big picture expert. You want to study my created playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on Power Trigger Trade. You can also find my website link, and don't forget there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like